what's up? I'm here with my man Mike from Reddit Pepper Lovers. You might know him as Chicharron.
Yes, sir.
On Reddit. And he came over for a visit, and we're going to try the MexiBell Pepper. This is a huge bell-sized pepper, and it has a bit of heat. I tried one green, and I was impressed with the amount of heat it has. So we're gonna get him to try one out with me and
see how it goes.
Yeah, I see. I got some that are pointy like this. Some are like original bells, lobed. So let's see what's up. And before we cut one on this awesome cutting board that he created and brought it to me as a gift, it's pretty freaking awesome. It's a Make It Wayne Batman and awesome design on it. And thank you very much, my man. This is
happy belated birthday.
Thank you. This is an amazing craft, man. Thank you very much. I was somebody sent me a thing about a guy that makes cutting boards, and it was it looked expensive. I thought it was cool, but you know, he has you picked like the type of wood, and I'm like, this is not going to be affordable. So hey man, this is pretty awesome. I use like these cutting mats, and they break. I cut on them, and they slice apart. So MexiBell, we're gonna try these out. Let's take a look at the plant. This one here is the MexiBell plant, and some grew pointy like these, and some grew the lobe like regular bells. Plant structure just like bells, and they kind of produce like bells, you know, just a handful of peppers, not all crazy. Got, well, this yellow bell. This thing looks like a jalapeno or something. Alright, but this is the MexiBell, and I tried some green, and they do have some heat, the green ones. So I'm dying to see what the reds are like. So let's go back and cut one of these. So we're back. Let's give these, let's cut the pointy one first. Got my
trusted knife.
Chop it like it's hot.
Chop it like it's hot. I like it.
Alright, so let's see if I can pull the, oh shit, the stem came right off. This is a MexiBell, supposed to be a bell pepper with some decent heat. And seeds are bouncing out of there already. Looks pretty much like a bell pepper, maybe just a little thinner. Here, you hold this. I'll show these guys what the MexiBell looks like inside. Nice, not too thin, but it does have a nice sized wall. There looks like some of the, you know how the peppers grow another pepper inside of them?
I was about to say that. Yes, it looks like another pepper growing in on both sides of that.
There's some of that going on there. And
it smells like a pepper. I smell it. It smells like a, it smells like a bell pepper.
Yeah, there's no...
no heat, no smell of heat.
No smell of heat. Smells sweet. Smells like a bell pepper. Smells like a red bell pepper.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely, yeah, it does.
Pretty cool. All right, so do you want to take out some seeds before you?
Yeah, we could take out all the seeds if you want to take them out.
All right. Let's see. Like I said, I tasted one of these greens. I used it on a sofrito. I used a couple, and I kind of pinched the placenta. Kind of pinched one of those stripes and green, and it gave me hiccups. I was impressed with the amount of heat these have.
Now, do you think the red is going to be a little different taste than the green because you tried it before it was fully ripe?
I don't know. I'm thinking it might be sweeter since it got to turn red. But not sure if the heat. Usually the heat will increase on a fully ripe. So that's the that's the growth inside that grew extra there. So I got the seeds out of there. As you all know, seeds can be bitter. I'm not sure. Some people eat them. Some people like to try the pepper without disturbing whatever's going on. They'll want to try them with the seeds. But I think if the pepper has some bitterness to it, then it'll be hard for you to tell if it's the pepper or if it's the seeds.
Okay.
Because if you're trying them with the seeds, you probably can't tell. So here's, you want to grab this piece. MexiBell, fully ripe. And it's supposed to be a slight heat. I only tried placenta. I'm not sure if it's, it felt like jalapeno heat, the piece of placenta. So let's see what this is like. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
Wow.
Really
almost,
sweet.
Yeah. Almost like, I'm sorry, but almost like a fruity kind of taste.
It is totally fruity.
Wow.
And the
it's
heat.
amazing. The heat is smooth. For me, it's smooth.
There's the heat is very present.
It's present.
Like, my girl would try this and probably spit it out.
No, but
because she can't do heat at all. But this is really
good.
pleasant.
It's really good. This would be really good in cooking salads with a little kick with the sweetness.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Totally.
Amazing.
Now, I just bit some without the placenta.
Oh, I've been biting the placenta.
I just bit some without placenta. And it's not like super...
It's juicy.
It's less heat than the placenta. I think most of the heat is in the placenta. Another bite
nice
without...
crunch.
Yeah, these are...
fresh. Juicy.
These
Really,
are pretty
really
good.
juicy.
Yeah,
I don't know if you get a juice as soon as you bite into it, like the juice just...
Yeah, and sweet.
Yes.
The walls are thick enough to give off some nice juicy gush.
Whole thing.
The heat is like, it's not, I think it's a little under jalapeno, right?
Yeah, definitely a little under jalapeno. Look, a jalapeno will give me a heat level probably like 4, pushing 5. This got me at like a 2.5.
Okay.
2.5, 3. Not even 3, probably pushing.
All right, so
this is tolerable.
all right, I got I received some tincture from Fernando Diaz, good friend. He's in our pepper groups. Would you drop a couple of drops on that piece and try it with tincture?
Probably not a couple of drops, maybe one drop. If I try one drop, see how I feel. If I feel like I could do another drop, I'll put another drop.
All right.
That sounds like sounds good. Excuse me.
Since this is so light, I just brought this. I'm sorry I didn't warn you about it.
No, it's all right.
And you can say no if you like. You don't have to.
Nah.
But this is Fernando Diaz Devil's Delight. And I have not tried it yet. I received it a couple of days ago. I haven't even posted about it. I've been a little busy. So I don't know the heat level on this. There's a full dropper. And it's getting dark on us.
You want a full dropper? You gonna do a full dropper?
I don't know. No, I'm not doing a full dropper. I'm gonna put a drop on this on this pepper. Oh, that's a drop. That was 2 drops, actually. Here, you do
I'm
your
doing
own.
my own drop.
Yeah. Don't trust me on that. Boom. Did you just?
No, I put it upside down. It's still there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm like, did you just
put the whole
just put the whole dropper? All right. Ready?
Yeah. One.
You know what? I'm getting a little burn on the lip.
It's creeping. That's where I had
It's
the burn. And right here in the tip of the tongue.
Yeah,
that's all.
This bell peppers definitely have some heat, man.
It has. It's
all right,
a
here we
creeper.
go. Fernando Diaz,
Diaz.
Tincture on a MexiBell to kick it up. Oh shit!
I could taste that.
I taste the tincture.
Yes, I do. I can tell that it's a different texture from this pepper.
It's it feels like almost a little sour, tangy taste, right?
Mm-hmm.
On the tincture.
Yeah, I swallowed. Call me in my back of my throat.
I might.
A little bit.
I have to say, I got the feeling it's not very hot.
No, can
tincture?
Can I put another drop?
Sure. I'm gonna try a drop by itself.
Okay, hey, that's good.
Because I didn't feel much, at least not yet.
No, I think you're more pepper eater than I am, and if I really didn't taste that, then you might have to probably try it straight to the tongue.
Well, I don't know. I don't consider myself a hardcore, like super challenge guy. I kind of suck.
No.
I was called out recently on the Cap Gun. Chasing Capsaicin is doing this challenge called Cap Gun. You have to put a shot of tincture in the whiskey, then fill up pepper, chop a pepper off, make it like a little cup, fill it with the whiskey and tincture, powder in your hand as the lime, the salt. You know, get the powder, boom. I think they call it a Robbie. It's called the pepper filled with tincture or whatever. And boom. And I'm kind of not ready for that. I almost made a post saying, don't call me out on Cap Gun because I kind of suck.
Yeah.
I have to prepare for challenges, and it's always a bad time when I have really calf cramps, dying in the bathroom, cold sweats, wishing, you're telling God, take me now.
All right, so, you ready? It's creeping.
Yeah?
For me, it is.
Okay, because you had a second shot.
Yeah, you put a little more on
All right, so
that little...
There's still like, the dropper's still almost full.
I'm going to try this Devil's Delight by itself. I might regret it, but here it is.
It's a slow creeper. It has a real good taste to it.
Yeah,
a real good, like sweet, like
it's like a nice lemony,
like a fruity, like a...
Yeah, it's like a nice little bit of sour, fruity flavor.
Yes, absolutely.
It's getting hot.
Yeah, it creeps.
Do you want to try one by itself?
No, you just put in that little corner of the pepper was a little more
that
drops.
Was good?
Yeah.
All right. Yo, Fernando Diaz, this is a hella good tincture, man. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Wow, I didn't bring my beer.
Oh, yes.
But beer usually makes it a little worse. Oh, it's taking a hold of the back of my throat. And it's getting dark here. You can probably not even see us anymore.
Yeah.
I see your hoodie. Wow, that's that couple of drops by itself really made me hot, and it's